Good Tuesday morning. A little bit chilly as you get ready to step out the door. We have a cold front working its way through our area this morning. That's dropping most of us down into the 30s right now, waking up about to a partly cloudy sky with some lighter winds, but still seeing wind chills sitting in the 20s for this morning. So grab that coat as you head out the door. We'll actually end up being above average this afternoon, but we're not going to make it into the 60s like we did yesterday. Few clouds this morning, more on the way just off towards our west, and those clouds will continue to build in. So not a ton of sunshine in store for your Tuesday, and it looks like our winter storm still on the way. So we do have some new winter weather advisories across the area. All the counties in purple, which you can see riding right along the edge of the rest of these advisories. That's where Buchanan County is in. Starts tonight at 9 p.m. goes all the way until Thursday at 6 p.m. But just like we talked about yesterday, the major impacts, the higher snowfall totals, and the greatest chance for ice going to be down towards our south, and that's where you can see all these winter storm warnings, all the counties that are in pink right now. So this is going to be a pretty big winter storm. You can see it all the way from the west towards the east. It goes down towards the south into Oklahoma, even parts of Texas included in some of these advisories. So it's going to be quite the winter storm. We're just going to be right on the edge of that, which is really going to give our whole viewing area some very different snowfall totals depending on where you are. So let's time out this system this morning. We're dry. We're just building in those clouds, and that northerly wind is taking over. And notice throughout the daytime hour, you're seeing this precipitation down towards our south. The rain's going to start down there first, transitioning over to a wintry mix. Most of your Tuesday here in St. Joseph up towards the north of Highway 36 should stay dry. If you live east of I-35, you do have the chance for a little bit of drizzle earlier, but I think it's going to be after sunset, well after sunset for most of us, until we finally see this precipitation push into our area. I think it's going to be a pretty quick switch over to snow for us. Not really expecting a lot of that wintry mix, which is good because that can make the road slick. So notice by 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, most of us dealing with snowfall. That continues through the morning and early afternoon hours, and then it should start to exit our area. The snow will continue to fall, though, just down towards the south of us. Notice it hangs around, and that's where the higher snowfall totals are going to be. So you'll see we'll be right on the edge of what I'm expecting as far as snowfall. So here's the totals, very similar to what we talked about yesterday. Still thinking close to 2 to 4 here in St. Joseph. It's going to quickly build up, though, as you move down towards the south. 4 to 8 closer to the Kansas City area, and then 7, 8 plus down in central and southern Missouri. Some areas really going to pick up quite a lot of snowfall, and then it really falls off very quickly. So some areas in extreme northwest Missouri, just a dusting of snow is all they'll see. So it's going to really depend on where you live, what kind of snow you're going to get over the next few days. 45 today for your high, so really no issues weather-wise for your Tuesday. Clouds build into the area, then a chance for light rain tonight. Transitions to snow pretty quickly. 14 for your low, and tomorrow snow showers through the morning and afternoon hours, mostly for us. It'll continue down towards the south during the evening hours where those higher totals will be. Going to be cold tomorrow, 22 for your high. And here's a look at your 5 to 7 day forecast. Weather alert today and tomorrow for that changeover to snow. Cold through the rest of your work week, but this weekend we're back up in the 30s and the 40s.